Rajasthan College of Agriculture MPUAT Udaipur welcomes you. The Rajasthan College of Agriculture is a constituent college of MPUAT Udaipur and one of the oldest amongst agriculture colleges in the country, established in July 1955. It is located in the heart of Udaipur city on Surajpol Airport Road and spread over an area of 98 hectares comprising of administrative buildings, various departments, agronomy, genetics and plant breeding, soil science and agricultural chemistry, entomology, horticulture, extension education, statistics, plant pathology, molecular biology and biotechnology, nematology, animal production, agricultural economics and management, and plant physiology. The archery of its success and glory was laid by its founder principal, late Dr. A. Rathod in 1955. This noble institute has been scholastic field of legendary people like Padma Bhushan Dr. R. S. Paroda, former DG, ICAR and Secretary DARE, Dr. A. S. Paroda, former Chairman, ASRB and founder Vice Chancellor of MPUAT, Dr. S. L. Mehta, former DDG Education, ICAR, National Director NATP and ex-Vice Chancellor of MPUAT, Dr. S. S. Acharya, former Chairman, Commission of Agriculture Cost and Prices, Dr. B. S. Chundawat, Vice Chancellor, SDAU, SK Nagar, Gujarat, Dr. O. P. Gill, former Vice Chancellor, MPUAT, Dr. U. S. Sharma, former Vice Chancellor, MPUAT, Dr. B. R. Chaudhary, Vice Chancellor of Agriculture University, Jodhpur, Dr. S. K. Pancholi, Associate Dean, A&M University, USA. The college has so far produced 4,118 graduates, 2,784 postgraduates and 783 PhD students. The vision of college is developing human resource in the field of agriculture with necessary competence to comfort challenges of 21st century. The mandates of college are achieving excellence in agricultural education and research, imparting employment-oriented education for improving the quality of life of the society, providing premier education by integrating academic and experiential learning for capacity building, expertise and confidence to start their own enterprise, developing new technologies leading to economic empowerment and sustainable agriculture, dissemination of technology to farming community for improvement of socio-economic condition of the society. The college has competent teaching and research faculty, student functionaries, administrative staff and infrastructure required for smooth running of college. For proper monitoring of teaching, all the classrooms have been equipped with CCTV. Ramp facility is available near classroom for differentially abled people. Because of strict monitoring, 49 students received University Gold Medal, 2 students received Chancellor's Award, 297 students were selected as SRF, JRF, ARS and qualified NET, 12 students attended international course at Bangkok and Australia. College campus have biological waste disposal facility. The college has sufficient experienced permanent faculty. The faculty organized various winter, summer schools, trainings, conferences, seminars, symposia and workshops. The faculties has published many books, practical manuals, e-compendiums and have published several high-impact research papers which contributed to 55H index of the university. The college and central library is located in the college campus. The library is well equipped with internet facilities, computer room, study room having AC hall. The library is fully automated using RFID system for automation. Library has relevant volumes on various subjects with latest additions and sufficient quantity to meet the requirements of the students and faculties. The working hour of library is 10 am to 5 pm. The library is subscribing journals of national and international repute and many magazines. In the campus, All the departments are having 35 well-equipped laboratories of UG and PG for practical classes with the space to accommodate 25 to 30 students at a time. In recent past, many old instruments were replaced by new instruments. The college is having sufficient classroom and examination halls. Recently, 6 smart classrooms are developed in the Department of Extension Education, MBBT, Horticulture, Agronomy, Genetics and Plant Breeding, and Soil Science. The college is having well-equipped instructional farms for agronomy, horticulture, livestock, and poultry spreading over 59 hectares. The agronomy farm has modern seed processing plant, go-downs, threshing floor, sufficient farm machinery. It has a rainwater harvesting pond to irrigate the crop in Rabi and Zaid season and to recharge the open wells of farm. Horticulture farm is having high-tech horticulture unit, fruit gardens and well-managed nursery for student research and revenue generation. The livestock farm has a herd of 79 cows, 4 paddocks under loose housing system and a conventional barn. The farm is having all facilities of mechanized milking, feed preparation and medical treatment facilities and sufficient walking area for the cattle. The farm has well-established Sirohi goat unit, vermicompost unit and fodder chaffing, feed preparation and storage facilities. The poultry farm has well-established housing of birds and hatchery units for rearing parent stock as well as for commercial production and supply of chicks. This farm also has brooder houses, grower houses, laying pans, cage houses. A hatchery unit has 2 egg setters of 15,000 eggs capacity each and 2 hatchers of 5,000 eggs capacity each. Besides production and supply of Pratapdhan, the poultry farm also has quail unit, Kadaknath unit and broiler rabbit unit under research and commercial production activities. The college have a niche area of excellence project on development of production and protection technologies for organic poultry farming at the poultry farm. The components of Student Ready program, RAVE, AIA and experiential learning are implemented properly. The students are placed in different KVKs of our university and attached with farmer families so as to develop competence, capability, capacity building, acquiring skill, expertise and confidence to start their own enterprise and turn job creators rather than job seekers. Thereafter, these students are attached with agro-based industries to provide an industrial exposure. Presently, college is running 2 ICAR supported experiential learning units for helping the UG students. The college is also having other ELP units like Organic Production Unit, Biofertilizer Production Unit, High-Tech Horticulture Unit. The college is having well-established NCC, NSS and Scout unit for students. Students are involved in various other activity and programs like orientation of students, annual function, games and sports, cultural programs, literary events, student elections, Young Farmers Association. College has 5 hostels for UG, PG and PhD and foreign students. All the hostels have Wi-Fi, common reading and recreation room with indoor game facilities, mess facility, safe drinking water facilities, cleaning of hostel premises and emergency medical facilities. The college is having its own stadium, well-equipped gymnasium and with facility for cricket, volleyball, football, badminton, basketball and tennis. The college is having other facilities like conference, seminar halls in departments, post office, bank, have more canteen, swimming pool, language lab, gene bank, which contains more than 6,200 germplasm herbal park, having 456 species of medicinal and aromatic plants found in tribal dominated areas of southern Rajasthan are conserved and maintained. KS Kushwaha Insect Museum having more than 85,000 agriculturally important insect species. Crop Cafeteria, Allied Germplasm, varieties of different crops which are regularly maintained. The various departments are running self-revolving scheme and annually earning sufficient funds. The funds are used for day-to-day maintenance and for university revenue enriching.